Solar power installation involves several key steps and resources. To begin, you can find valuable information on websites such as the Solar Energy Industries Association, also known as SEIA / This website offers insights into the solar industry, policy updates, and market trends. Another useful resource is the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, also known as NREL / NREL provides research and development information on solar technologies. Solar Power World, accessible at / offers news and articles related to solar energy advancements. EnergySage, found at / is a marketplace where you can compare solar quotes from different installers. SolarReviews at / provides reviews and ratings of solar installers. When it comes to finding dealers and installers, several directories can assist you in locating professionals in your area. SEIA's contractor map available helps you find SEIA members who are solar contractors. NREL Solar Installer Database offers a comprehensive list of solar installers. EnergySage Installer Marketplace, located at / allows you to compare installers based on customer reviews and pricing. Furthermore, many major home improvement stores such as the Home Depot and Lowe's provide solar panel installation services. The installation process typically involves 6 main steps. Firstly, a site assessment is conducted. A solar installer will visit your property to evaluate its suitability for solar panels. This assessment considers factors such as roof orientation, shading, and structural integrity. Secondly, a system is designed. The installer will create a solar power system tailored to your energy needs, budget, and available roof space. This design specifies the number of panels, the inverter type, and the racking system. Thirdly, permits are obtained. You will need to secure permits from your local building department before the installation can commence. This step ensures compliance with local codes and regulations. Fourthly, the panels are installed. Professional installers will mount the solar panels on your roof or another suitable location. This involves securely attaching the racking system and wiring the panels together. Fifthly, the system is connected. The installer will connect the solar panels to an inverter. The inverter converts the direct current, or DC, electricity produced by the panels into alternating current, or AC, electricity, which can be used by your appliances. Sixthly, the system is inspected. A final inspection is performed to verify that the system is installed correctly and operating safely. This inspection ensures that all electrical connections are secure and that the system meets safety standards. Additional resources are available to help you navigate the solar power landscape. The database of state incentives for renewables and efficiency, also known as SEIA / provides information on state and federal incentives for renewable energy. Solar Energy International, accessible at / offers training and education programs for solar professionals and enthusiasts. The American Solar Energy Society, also known as ASES at / is a membership organization that promotes solar energy education and advocacy. Understanding the technical aspects of solar power systems is crucial for making informed decisions. Solar panels generate electricity by converting sunlight into direct current, or DC, electricity. This direct current, or DC, electricity is then fed into an inverter. The inverter converts the direct current, or DC, electricity into alternating current, or AC, electricity, which is the standard form of electricity used in homes and businesses. The size of a solar power system is typically measured in kilowatts, also known as kilowatts. A typical residential solar power system might range from 5 kilowatts to 10 kilowatts, depending on the homeowner's energy consumption. The amount of electricity produced by a solar power system depends on several factors, including the size of the system, the amount of sunlight it receives, and the efficiency of the solar panels. Solar panel efficiency is the percentage of sunlight that the panel converts into electricity. Most solar panels have an efficiency rating between 15% and 20%. The cost of solar power systems has decreased significantly in recent years, making solar power a more affordable option for many homeowners. The cost of a solar power system typically includes the cost of the solar panels, the inverter, the racking system, and the installation labor. In addition to the initial cost, there are also ongoing maintenance costs associated with solar power systems. These costs typically include cleaning the panels and inspecting the system for any damage. However, solar power systems generally require very little maintenance. The payback period for a solar power system is the amount of time it takes for the system to generate enough electricity to offset its initial cost. The payback period depends on several factors, including the cost of the system, the amount of electricity it produces, and the price of electricity from the grid. In many cases, solar power systems can pay for themselves in 5 to 10 years. Solar power offers several benefits, including reducing your carbon footprint, lowering your electricity bills, and increasing your energy independence. By generating your own electricity, you can reduce your reliance on fossil fuels and contribute to a cleaner environment. You can also save money on your electricity bills, especially if you live in an area with high electricity rates. Solar power also provides energy independence, as you are less vulnerable to power outages and price fluctuations. When considering solar power installation, it's important to evaluate your energy needs and consumption patterns. Review your past electricity bills to determine your average monthly electricity usage. This information will help you determine the appropriate size of the solar power system for your home. It's also essential to assess your roof's condition and orientation. A south-facing roof with minimal shading is ideal for solar panel installation. However, east or west-facing roofs can also be suitable, although they may produce less electricity. Consider the aesthetic impact of solar panels on your home. Solar panels are available in various styles and colors, allowing you to choose panels that blend in with your roof. You can also explore ground-mounted solar power systems if your roof is not suitable for solar panel installation. Research different solar panel technologies such as monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin-film panels. Monocrystalline panels are generally more efficient but also more expensive. Polycrystalline panels are less efficient but more affordable. Thin-film panels are flexible and lightweight but have lower efficiency. Obtain multiple quotes from different solar installers to compare pricing and system designs. Make sure the installers are licensed and insured. Ask for references from previous customers and review their online ratings and reviews. Review the warranty offered by the solar panel manufacturer and the installer. A good warranty will protect you against defects and performance issues. Understand the terms and conditions of your solar power contract, including payment schedules, cancellation policies, and dispute resolution procedures. Explore financing options for your solar power system, such as loans, leases, and power purchase agreements, also known as PPA. A solar loan allows you to own the solar power system and receive all the benefits of solar energy. A solar lease allows you to rent the solar power system from a third-party owner. A power purchase agreement, also known as PPA, allows you to purchase electricity from the solar power system at a fixed rate. Take advantage of federal, state, and local incentives for solar power. The federal government offers an investment tax credit, also known as ITC, which allows you to deduct a percentage of the cost of your solar power system from your federal taxes. Many states and local governments also offer tax credits, rebates, and other incentives for solar power. Understand the net metering policies in your area. Net metering allows you to sell excess electricity generated by your solar power system back to the grid. The utility company will credit your account for the electricity you sell back to the grid, reducing your electricity bills. Consider the long-term maintenance and repair requirements of your solar power system. Solar panels typically require minimal maintenance, but they may need to be cleaned periodically to remove dirt and debris. Inverters may need to be replaced after 10 to 15 years. Regularly inspect your solar power system for any signs of damage or wear. Contact a qualified solar installer for any necessary repairs or maintenance. In addition to solar panels, consider other energy-efficient upgrades for your home, such as energy-efficient appliances, insulation, and windows. These upgrades can further reduce your energy consumption and lower your electricity bills. Educate yourself about solar power technology and the benefits of solar energy. Share your knowledge with friends, family, and neighbors to promote the adoption of solar power in your community. By taking these steps, you can make informed decisions about solar power installation and enjoy the economic and environmental benefits of solar energy. Also consider participating in community solar programs, which allow you to invest in a shared solar power system and receive credits on your electricity bill. These programs are a great option for renters or homeowners who cannot install solar panels on their property. Explore smart home technologies that can optimize your solar power system's performance. Smart inverters can track your energy consumption and adjust the output of your solar panels to maximize savings. Smart thermostats can adjust your home's temperature based on solar power availability, reducing your reliance on the grid. Consider energy storage solutions, such as batteries, to store excess solar power for use during peak demand periods or power outages. Battery storage can increase your energy independence and reduce your reliance on the grid. Evaluate the environmental impact of solar panel manufacturing and disposal. Choose solar panels from manufacturers who prioritize sustainability and responsible manufacturing practices. Look for solar panels that are recyclable or have end-of-life management programs. Support policies that promote solar energy and renewable energy development. Contact your elected officials and advocate for policies that encourage solar power adoption. By embracing solar energy, you can contribute to a cleaner, more sustainable future for yourself and future generations. Remember that the information provided is intended for educational purposes and should not be considered as professional advice. Always consult with qualified professionals for specific guidance on solar power installation and related matters.